Hello, my friends. I'm Dr. Anna Schneider, your companion in health and wellness, and today we're diving into a topic that affects millions of us every single day: back pain at work. Let me ask you something right off the bat. Have you ever felt that nagging ache in your lower back after sitting at your desk for hours? Or maybe a sharp twinge when you stand up after a long meeting? If you're nodding your head right now, you're not alone. As a doctor with over 15 years of experience helping patients reclaim their bodies from pain, I've seen it all, and I'm here to tell you, you don't have to live like this. Back pain doesn't have to be your silent coworker, stealing your energy and focus. You deserve to feel strong, confident, and in control of your body, no matter where your workday takes you. Today, I'm going to share with you science-backed strategies, practical tips, and a little bit of tough love to help you prevent back pain at work. This isn't just about feeling better, it's about taking your power back. You've got this, and I'm so proud of you for being here to invest in yourself. So, grab a comfy seat, or stand if you're feeling bold, and let's get started. I'll be breaking this down step by step, like a friend who's got your back, literally. Stick with me, because by the end of this, you'll have the tools to transform your workday and your life. Let's do this together. Section 1: Understanding back pain, why it happens at work. Alright, let's get into the science of why back pain loves to crash your workday party. As a doctor, I've spent years studying the spine. It's this incredible, intricate structure that holds us up, literally and figuratively. Your spine is made up of 33 vertebrae, cushioned by discs that act like shock absorbers, and supported by muscles, ligaments, and nerves working together in harmony. But here's the catch: our modern work lives? They're not exactly spine-friendly. Think about it. If you're sitting at a desk for 8 hours a day, or more, for some of you warriors out there, your spine is under constant pressure. When you sit, especially with poor posture, the natural S-curve of your spine flattens out. Your lower back, or lumbar region, takes the brunt of it. The muscles in your back and core, which are meant to support you, start to weaken from inactivity. Meanwhile, the discs between your vertebrae get compressed, losing their ability to cushion effectively. Over time, this can lead to stiffness, soreness, or even chronic pain. Now, let's talk about posture, because I know some of you are slouching right now. When you hunch over your keyboard or crane your neck to stare at a screen, you're putting extra strain on your upper back and neck too. This is called forward head posture, and it's a silent epidemic in offices everywhere. Studies show that for every inch your head tilts forward, the pressure on your spine doubles. Imagine carrying a bowling ball around all day. That's what your neck feels like. And don't get me started on stress. How many of you feel your shoulders creep up to your ears when a deadline looms? That tension tightens your muscles, making everything worse. I've had patients tell me, "Dr. Anna, I didn't even realize I was clenching my jaw until my back started screaming." It's all connected, my friends: your mind, your muscles, your spine. But here's the good news: understanding why this happens is the first step to stopping it. You're not a victim of your desk job, you're a warrior who's about to fight back. Your body is resilient, and with a few smart changes, you can protect it. So, what do you think? Is your posture sabotaging you right now? Drop a yes or no in the comments, I'm curious. Section 2: Practical strategies to prevent back pain at work. Now, let's get to the good stuff: how to prevent back pain at work. I'm going to walk you through 5 key strategies that I've seen transform my patients' lives. These are simple, doable, and backed by science. You don't need a fancy gym membership or hours of free time, just a little commitment to yourself. Ready? Let's go. Strategy 1: Master your posture like a pro. First up, posture. I know, it sounds basic, but it's the foundation of everything. Sitting or standing tall isn't just about looking confident, it's about keeping your spine happy. Here's how to do it: imagine a string pulling you up from the top of your head. Your shoulders should be relaxed, not hunched, and your ears should line up over your shoulders. If you're sitting, keep your feet flat on the floor and your knees at a 90-degree angle. Your lower back should have a slight curve. Use a small cushion or rolled up towel if your chair doesn't support it. I had a patient, Sarah, who came to me with chronic lower back pain from her office job. She was slumping all day, and her chair was a disaster. We adjusted her setup, and within 2 weeks, she said, "Dr. Anna, I feel like a new person." Small changes, big results. So, try this today. Set a reminder on your phone every hour to check your posture. Straighten up, take a deep breath, and own it. You're not just sitting, you're commanding your space. How does that feel? Let me know in the comments. Strategy 2, move it or lose it. Second, let's talk movement. Your body wasn't designed to stay still for hours, it craves action. Sitting for too long weakens your core, tightens your hip flexors, and stiffens your spine. The fix? Micro breaks. Every 30 minutes, stand up, stretch, or walk around for 1 to 2 minutes. It doesn't have to be a workout, just enough to wake your body up. Try this: stand up, reach your arms overhead, and lean back slightly to open your chest. Then, do a gentle twist to each side. It takes 30 seconds, and it's like hitting the reset button for your spine. I do this between patients, and it keeps me energized all day. Don't let your desk chain you down. You're stronger than that. Even if you're swamped, those 2 minutes are yours, claim them. What's one stretch you're going to try today? Share it below, I'd love to hear. Strategy 3, build a back-friendly workspace. Third, your workspace matters. A bad setup is like a slow poison for your back. Your monitor should be at eye level, about an arm's length away. Your keyboard should let your elbows rest at 90 degrees. If you're on your feet, like my nurse friends out there, wear supportive shoes, no flimsy flats or sky-high heels, please. Invest in yourself here. A cheap chair might save you money now, but it'll cost you in pain later. I recommend a chair with lumbar support, or at least a cushion. And if you can, try a standing desk for part of the day. It's a game changer. What's your workspace like? Is it helping you or hurting you? Snap a quick pic and tell me in the comments, I might have a tip for you. Strategy 4, strengthen your core, protect your spine. Fourth, let's talk strength. Your core, those muscles around your abdomen and lower back, is your spine's best friend. Weak core muscles mean your spine has to work overtime, and that's a recipe for pain. You don't need to do 100 sit-ups, just a few targeted moves. Try a plank, hold your body in a straight line on your elbows and toes for 20 to 30 seconds. Or do a seated leg lift, sit tall, lift one leg straight out, hold for 5 seconds, and switch. Do 10 reps, these build stability without breaking a sweat. You're not just building muscle, you're building armor for your spine. Every rep is a declaration, I'm in charge here. How strong do you feel right now? Tell me. Strategy 5, mind your mind. Finally, don't underestimate your mind. Stress tightens your muscles and amplifies pain. I've seen patients whose back pain vanished once they tackled their workload stress. Try this, take 5 deep breaths, in through your nose, out through your mouth. Feel your shoulders drop. You're resetting your body and your spirit. You're not just surviving your workday, you're thriving. You've got the power to protect your back and your peace. Isn't that worth fighting for? Section 3, Long-Term Habits for a Pain-Free Life, approximate 3,000 words. Now, let's zoom out. Preventing back pain at work isn't a one-day fix, it's a lifestyle. I want you to build habits that keep you strong for years, not just for tomorrow. As your doctor and your friend, I've got 3 big picture tips to share. Habit 1, stay active outside work. Exercise is your secret weapon. Walking, swimming, yoga, anything that keeps you moving strengthens your back. Aim for 30 minutes most days. I love a brisk evening walk, it's my time to unwind and let my spine breathe. I had a patient, Mark, who started yoga at 50 after years of back pain. 6 months later, he was bending like a pretzel and grinning ear to ear. It's never too late, What's your favorite way to move? Habit 2, listen to your body. Your body talks to you. That twinge? It's not a nag, it's a signal. Rest when you need to, stretch when you're tight, and don't push through pain. I've seen too many people ignore those whispers until they turn into screams. When's the last time your back spoke up? What did it say? Share below, I'm listening. Habit 3, sleep smart. Last, sleep. A bad mattress or sleeping position can undo all your hard work. Sleep on your side with a pillow between your knees, or on your back with one under your knees. It keeps your spine aligned. Think of sleep as your recharge time, your back deserves it. How's your sleep setup? Any tweaks you'll try? Well, my friends, we've covered a lot today, from posture to planks, workspaces to warrior habits. I'm so proud of you for sticking with me. You're not just watching a video, you're taking a stand for your health, your strength, your life. Back pain doesn't own you, you own it. Start small, fix your posture today, take a stretch break tomorrow, build from there. You're not alone on this journey, I'm right here cheering you on. Every step you take is a victory, and I can't wait to hear about it. So, here's what I want you to do, drop a comment below. Tell me one tip you're going to try, or share how back pain's been affecting you. Where are you watching from, New York? Tokyo? Sydney? I'd love to know which cities and countries we're connecting across today. And if this resonated with you, give it a thumbs up, it helps me reach more people who need this. Let's keep this conversation going. Subscribe if you haven't, I've got more tips coming your way. Share this with a coworker who's been complaining about their back, you might just change their day. Together, we're building a community of strong, pain-free warriors. I'll see you in the comments, let's chat. Until next time, this is Dr. Anna Schneider, your back pain busting buddy. Take care of that spine, it's got your back, and so do I.